If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Francine, and on this channel, I talk about personal finances, whether it's the budget, whether it is getting out of debt, whether it is, saving up for a better life. So today on this channel, I want to do a short little video on switching out my cash envelopes. So I know we are stuck in the house. We are bored in the house and I'm in the house bored, bored in the house and I'm in the house bored, bored in the house. I love that song. But we are bored. We got time on our hands. So I was just like, why not switch out my cash envelopes? I know I'm not using them as much because I'm not going out. Like, I am strictly on lockdown. But I'm gonna have to break free because I've been in this house for 5 weeks, man. 5 weeks. New York, we're suffering. We are suffering in New York. Pray for us. Like, seriously. But yes, so I just wanted to do something a little different, see some new colors, new prints, So I'm not switching out all of my cash envelopes, but I'm switching out a good chunk. So this right here is a package from Freeport Creation, and y'all wondering, why is it packaged like that? Isn't that your company? Yes, it is. But like I said, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored, and I kind of wanted to present it on camera a little nice. So if you do purchase from Freeport Creation, this is basically how it's gonna come packaged. Obviously in an envelope, but this is how it's gonna look. So I just wanted to feel like I got a delivery, so just bear with me. So I'm just gonna open this up. It's not basically, it is 10 envelopes, I believe, if I'm not wrong. So we're just gonna open this up like it's a Christmas present. It's just the little things that you have to do in life to make you feel better. So this is just a little cute decoration so it can look pretty. Didn't mean to break it like that, but and then it comes in a little sealant. Put that right here. So let's open it up. So these are the envelopes that I will be switching out. Some are on my shop, some aren't on my shop. But yes, so these are the cash envelopes that I have. My new cash envelopes. I'm so excited. So let me go through them with you. So we have anniversary. I love this color. Holidays. So cute. Gas. These are limited edition. The gas color. Well, these type is limited edition. Then we have me time. My birthday. Membership. Miscellaneous. I love how miscellaneous came out. It looks really cute. We have doctor. Not really too fond of this print, but it gets the job done until I find a new print. Eating out. Eating out. Us. I love the floral, the leaves. It looks so cute. Christmas. I don't know if this is my favorite one. I'm not sure. And then entertainment. So these are the envelopes that we are working with. These are the prints that we are working with. I think the only print that I'm not really too, you know, jazzed about is the Doctor, but if I do find another print or something that to substitute it, I'll probably change it out. But I just didn't want too many LVs. So, and then I do have a little card holder. So you can put this for your, like, money that you are transporting from your sinking fund to your wallet so that you don't have to take out the envelopes. But this right here is cute. Like, it's cute, girl. It's cute. So let me move this away. So all my envelopes are hole punch besides this card right here. And let's get started in switching it out. I'm going to start with my envelopes. This hasn't been getting enough love because we haven't been going outside. So, but you know, it still needs some jazzing up. So let's get into it. Oh, this is the back. So, eating out. We have us. Okay, let's separate what's in our envelopes, in our wallet envelope. So we have entertainment, us, eating out, me time, and gas. Just so everybody knows, when I do brand my envelopes, it has a sticker that shows where the shop is so that you never forget where your envelopes came from and where to follow me at. This might get smaller, get a tad bit smaller because I notice that it is big, but just so everybody knows when you do purchase from my shop. But that's not what this video is about. Eating out, it has this one. So this one is really cute. It's not, yeah. So this one is honestly really, really, really cute. So eating out, can't wait to use it. Can't wait to go to Applebee's and they be like, do you want to start with some drinks and some appetizers before you do your meal? Oh, I honestly don't like Applebee's, but I always tend to be there because it's by my school. So me is next, so that is me time. Then us is next. I know I gotta take out the stuff that's in it, but I'll do that off camera. Entertainment. This was really a cute print. This was from Mama's Got a Budget. It's so cute, but it's getting old. I had it for a year or so, probably more than a year, and the lamination is not coming off, but it's getting worn off. So, because I used it, it was here for a purpose. Then gas is actually my envelope, but I don't know. I'm not really feeling at this print right now, so I am using this one. So, okay, so that is basically all for my wallet. So this is how it's looking. So we have eating out. I love the prints. So we have eating out, me time, us, entertainment, gas, toiletries, and this is my challenge. And then that's it. This is so cute. I really love this. I can't wait to post it on the website. But this is so cute. I really like the greenery. I really like the greenery. I don't know why, but recently I've been feeling greenery, like really hardcore. So that is basically my wallet. Now let's get to our sinking fund. So now the remaining is my cash sinking funds. So let's see. Ooh, my sinking fund is so thick. All right. Doctor is getting changed out. Getting changed out. We have some money in here, so we have to switch it out. Out with the old, in with the new. Do some spring cleaning. How often do you guys switch you guys' envelopes? Because I notice I don't switch mine as often as the average person. This this is the Budget Moms. It came with the saving challenge, but I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. So we're doing this. But yeah, I don't change my envelopes as frequently as I think I should. Anniversary. It's our anniversary. This is so bright. This makes me want to put money in it. Like, it really does. Anniversary. This is our anniversary. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it out from the back and just start filling it in that way. So we had membership. So membership goes here. House down payment. I think I didn't do that one. Okay, we'll still use this one. I wanted to change this one, but then again, this is basically, this is electronic. I don't use that. Then we have miscellaneous. We're out with the old, in with the new. So are you guys using cash? Like, are you taking cash out the bank? The reason why I haven't been present is because I don't know if I want to use cash for even if for sinking funds, because where I am in is New York City, New York. We're the epicenter of this virus, and I don't know if I want to risk doing cash envelope stuffing during this time, but I would still do my budget and do a mock of cash envelope stuffing, and then when this all blows over, I'll do one big gigantic stuff. So I don't know, you guys tell me what you do. I need to get some ideas, because I don't know, I just been sad because I miss the cash transactions. I miss it. I miss having these envelope stuff, but also I gotta think about my health. Oh, I had to change this one. I forgot. Okay, maybe we'll do a part 2. And then we have gifts. I really like this one. And then out with the old, in with the new. And then we have holidays. So holidays is a new category because I noticed Mother's Day is coming, Father's Day is coming, Easter. Today was Easter, and I didn't budget for that. Like, it just went all over my head. So I can get Mother's Day real soon. So so let's go through our cash sinking fund. I think I need a bigger wallet because this is really tiny, and yeah, this is a lot. Okay, so we have car. travel. This is honestly a lot. I might get another binder to store them because I know when we're stuffing them, it's going to probably break the binder with how much cash I'm going to be flowing in. Okay, so we have car, travel, FPC, MacBook, emergency fund, doctor, school, Christmas, Valentine's Day, anniversary, holidays, my birthday, birthdays / gifts, SGRO, miscellaneous, house down payments, and membership. Okay, so this is what we are working with right now. Comment down below which envelope was your favorite so that we can get this conversation rolling. If you see something that you like, I will surely give you the link to it. And if it's not there, I'll try and help you out with that one. So yeah, I really hope everybody is safe. Hope you're still budgeting. Hope you're still on track with your goals and all of that. If you hear raining in the back, I'm sorry, it's raining. So yeah, so I will see you in the next video. Bye.